In this video, we'll talk about how to use Nexis Uni to find case law and other legal information. On the library's homepage, click on Databases A to Z and N for Nexis Uni. This database in the past was known as LexisNexis, so you may also hear it referred to that way. Click on Nexis Uni, and when the homepage opens, click on Legal. This will search only Nexis Uni's legal content. Then we can choose our search, such as telemedicine, and see what happens here. First thing that comes up, you'll see different, first, the title, the case, the date, the court, and the type of court. And you'll also see these little triangles and other symbols next to the cases. You're probably going to want to be looking for a green symbol because what this is referring to is its Shepard's category. Shepardization is a process that cases go through where they're followed through time, and Shepard's identifies whether other cases disagree with it, other courts disagree with the decision of this court. And if that is the case, sometimes the finding that this case has, the implication for the topic, is sort of overruled. And it's good to keep an eye on that because that means that this case isn't really as significant for your topic. So that is something to keep an eye out for, this Shepard thing. The other thing I'm noticing as we go through is that there are cases that are really old, and the pandemic made a lot of changes in telemedicine. So we might want to, on the left-hand side here, narrow by timeline, click on timeline, and you can enter a year here, such as 2020 to present at the time of this video's creation. So that limits us down quite a bit. And so another thing to keep an eye on as you're searching through these cases, besides the subject matter of the case, is whether a case has an overview. It's great if there's an overview. We can click on this case, for example, and there's a few items to look for when you click into a case besides its topic. There's a case summary with an overview. That's really helpful because it gives you a better understanding of the subject matter of the case. The other thing to look for is the LexisNexis headnotes, which tell you the key factors that make this case significant in different subject areas. So the headnotes are telling us what is significant about the case. If you scan your case summary, your Shepards, and your headnotes, you'll get a pretty good idea of the subject matter and significance of the case. This also may give you an idea of other search terms to use, such as consent or security, and you can try that if you add that to your Nexis Uni legal search term.